Okay, so I'm now going to solve this equation algebraically. So I've shown you how to do it graphically, I'm going to show you how to do it algebraically, and we should get to the same answers. If not, something terrible has happened. Now, what we do is we square both of the sides. Now, if I square the left-hand side, I no longer need to write, or draw, rather, the modulus sign. Okay? Now, the reason for this is that the square of a modulus will always be positive. Okay? So there's no real need to make sure that what is inside the bracket is positive, because your answer is going to be positive anyway. Okay? So it is not really right to write a squared with the modulus, okay, in this situation. You don't really need it, because otherwise you'll get confused when you're multiplying out brackets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply out the left hand side, and I get 4x squared plus 16x plus 16, and on the right hand side of the equation I'm just getting 4. So I'm going to tidy this up a bit. So I've got 4x squared plus 16x plus 12 is equal to 0. I'm going to divide all the way through by 4, okay, to clean it up a little bit more. So x squared plus 4x plus 3 is 0. So now I'm at this stage, I recognise that I can factorise. Now, if you couldn't factorise, you'd have to use the quadratic formula. But in this case, it's quite nice in that it is x plus 3 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Make sure that when you're showing your workings out that you are retaining these equals, okay, and equals 0 at each case. So this means that either this bracket is 0, in which case x is equal to minus 3, or this bracket is 0, in which case x is equal to minus 1. And these are the same two solutions that we got when we were looking at it graphically.